Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi, and if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. Please subscribe down below and hit the bell for notifications when I have new videos up, okay? And yeah, today's video is all about get ready with me. Actually, it's get ready with my client. Yeah, she's getting ready for an event, and I thought to film this look for YouTube. And here we go. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching and please watch till the end. I have a surprise for you guys, okay? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, okay? All right. So I already cleansed her face with my face wipe, and then I went ahead to apply my Zaroncosmetics oil block mattifier, and I allowed that to dry. You can see it's already dry. That's why you can see those white patches on her face. I like to use this a lot because I like to use this product on clients, especially when they have events, because it tends to control oil the most. So that's why I use it for clients that have events like this. All right, because I know they're going to be like stressed out, maybe moving up and down the sun or whatever. So in order for their makeup to last long, I use the Zaroncosmetics oil block mattifier. So I'm done with the brows, starting off with the eyes. So I'm going to show you guys how I started off with the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow primer on her lid is the House of Tara eyeshadow primer. Now from the palette I'm picking up, I think the palette I'm using here is the Nubanbeauty Wishes eyeshadow palette, and I'll leave everything, like all the products I use, in the description box, so do check that out, okay? And all the brushes I'm using I have on my hands right now because I don't want to like be reaching for them. I tend to look for brushes a lot, so I just hold them on my hands and work as I go. So now I'm just blending that color outwards and inwards just to make that outer corners of the eye a little bit soft. You get. And I finished up the eye off camera. Now I'm applying another shade of eyeshadow using a stiff brush. I'm just pressing this on her lid. Now I will use a matte eyeshadow using another brush to pick that up and just applying it on that corner because I want that inner corners of the eye area to be soft, while I go in with the same eyeshadow just to cover it up. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Now I'm picking up that first color, blending everything inwards because I don't want that demarcation line to be so obvious. So I'm blending in circular motions outwards and inwards like that, picking up the eyeshadow again and blending outwards, you know, just to like marry those two colors together so they're both looking beautiful and, you know, seamlessly. So yeah, and that's it for the eyes. Now I will be applying my benign glitter glue on her lid first, then I will go over with my chunky glitter. This one is from Soooprocosmetics. Yeah, pressing that on her lid. Now it's time to apply foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Maybelline Fitme matte poreless foundation here. I don't know what shade this is, but I will also leave this in the description box, so click on that to know the exact shade I'm using here. I'm using my stippling brush to just distribute this all over her face. Look at that foundation, just look at her face, so beautiful. Like, I love the Maybelline foundation so much, like it's so flawless. Look at that. And to highlight, I'm using the Lagirl, obviously, Pro Concealer in the shade Fun. and I'm just pinning this on the high points of her face, on her eyes, bridge of her nose, her chin, and a bit on her forehead. And today I'm blending with a small blending brush instead of a beauty blender. Then I'll go over this with the foundation brush I used initially. Yeah. And to set her highlight in place, you guys know I always use the RCMA setting powder. Like, I've been loving this powder so far. Like, I just love the finish it gives to the face. You guys will see that after I dust this powder off, her face will be looking snatched as like amazing, literally. Now I'm just setting her face with her face powder, and also using the powder to, you know, sort of like press this setting powder in her face, then dust off the excess. And yeah, look at that. Like, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This powder is so good. Like, it doesn't leave any color, like it doesn't alter the color of your foundation, and yet it still looks banging. Like, look at that. Okay, so I'm trying to conceal, not really conceal, like hide her natural lashes in between the false lashes. So I'm using the mascara both for the top part of her lashes and the bottom part. And my client is obsessed. She's always looking at her face, like, she told me, oh my god, Naomi, you made me look so beautiful. And I'm like, yeah, that's what we do right here, you know what I mean? So guys, after this highlighting, glow and stuff like that, I'm going to lock everything in with the Skindinivia makeup finishing spray. And yeah, we're going to pause for a moment and go over to tie her hair tie, and then we'll come back to finish up with the face. So yeah, I already started off by creating about 5 plates right here, and I divided this gilly into 70-30, and I'm going to take the shorter hand over the longer hand and have her hold the shorter hand on one side while I extend the pleats from and onto the other side of her face. And I'm just creating pleats. And you know what, guys, I have like very detailed gilly tutorials on this channel. You can check my playlist if you are interested. Very detailed, I like talk through tutorials, so this one is not so in-depth, but I wanted to show you guys the process you get. And this is a fine gilly with a little bit of twist, so I did something different at the end, not your usual kind of gilly. So off camera I had to hold that part where I went to get some pins to start pinning the fan gilly downwards. So like you can see me do right there, I think I used about 5-6 pins. As I form the fan, I pin each down like that. And yeah, so when I finally got to the end, I will take the shorter hand over the longer hand now and twist it all the way to the back behind the fan, the pleats that I already have right there. Yeah, I'm also going to pin that down. Now I come back to the front to actually see if my gilly is pretty, you know, arranged and looking banging. And yeah, so I'm going to ask her to get me a pin, and I'll just pin it down, and I also pin the other side down. Now I'm going to start arranging this gilly into the desired shape that I want the key to this stuff is just keep arranging. You will never get tired, you still see something to do. And then I felt like that corner was a bit too long, and I also pinned it down as well. And yes, and I'm going to push this gele a little bit backwards a bit, just to show her baby hairs a little bit. But yeah, and time to do the lips. Lips are this lip is so easy, you guys. I use my lip liner pencil. This one is Cappuccino from Zaroncosmetics, and just to line her lips, I'm following this up with the Zaroncosmetics. I think this is the matte lip fix. This one is called Tease. And now I'll just be blending the edges together with a small lip brush. After that, I went over the lips with a gloss. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you do like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and please share this video with your friends. Please share this video so that we can get more views. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe down below and hit the bell for notifications. And yes, hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.